In this video, we will show how to view any country boundary in Google Earth Engine. First, open your browser and log into Google Earth Engine. Now search for LSIB, which stands for Large-Scale International Boundary Polygons. The United States Office of the Geographer provides the Large-Scale International Boundary LSIB dataset. Copy the text under Collection Snippet and close the window. Now create a variable named Countries and paste the copied values. Now, if we visualize the county's feature collection, we can use map.addLayer function. We see the black outlines are drawn as a boundary of each country, but our goal is to filter a single country and show its boundary. Here we would like to show the boundary of Nepal. For that reason, if we go to the LSIB dataset again and view table schema, we will see number of columns are there. One of them is country_N, which is country name. We can filter using this column, so copy this column name and close the window. Now create a variable named Nepal_boundary and filter using Earth Engine filter function. Now, if we visualize this Nepal boundary layer, we can see only the boundary of Nepal. We successfully extract Nepal from world country's boundary. Here we want to center the Nepal boundary on the map, using center object function. Now it's zoomed to our region of interest. Now center the view to the Nepal boundary. Using center object function, then create another function for visualization. For the color, we define the red color code RGB value. Then we assign this visualization to the style of the Nepal boundary variable. Oh, the map is zoomed to the whole world. We have center to the Nepal shape before applying the style. Here it correctly zooms to our interested area, but we do not want a red fill color, we want it to be transparent. So, we have to set alpha to 0 in fill color. Last two digits in fill color represents alpha. If we set it 0, 0, then the shape will be transparent. Here is our transparent fill Nepal boundary. In the same way, if we want to view Bhutan boundary, we just have to replace Nepal with Bhutan. If we want to visualize the Kazakhstan boundary in the same way, we can do that as well. To identify any country, we need to use internationally recognized name of the country. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe.